Here is the 2014 to 2018 Kia Forte. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the video. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Go ahead and pop the trunk. Now that's the light there. The way to access it is from behind it. We need to get that flap off. So go ahead and pull it off. There's one edge over there on the back side, one flap, one on the top, one on the bottom, and one on the rear side. Okay, get it out. Let's press down on the electrical connector and pull it off. Press down and slide it out. It's done. Now let's loosen the bulb holder there. Just twist it left a little bit. Now it's loose. Now we can pull it out. Now it may look like there's not enough space, but there is. It's just tight. So you may have to sort of wiggle it around there, but you'll be able to get the bulb holder out. There's nothing else holding it over there. So you'll be able to get it out. Just be patient. Make sure none of the wires are getting squished over there. That may stop you from getting it out. But yeah, there it is. Let's get the bulb out. To get the bulb out, all you have to do is just push it down and then twist it left. So down, left, and off the bulb comes. Let's take a closer look at it. There are two filaments in this bulb for two different functions. The bulb replacement size number is right there on it, 2357. Again, 2357. Get the new bulb and put it in. Now when you're putting the bulb back in, if you're not able to push it down like this, that's okay. Stop, take the bulb out, turn it around, and now put it in. Now you should be able to press it down. So press it down, twist your right, let it go. Now let's put the bulb holder back in the light. Now when you're doing so, again, this is probably what the hardest part is. You'll probably struggle with it over there, right over there. Once it's halfway in there, get your house keys or something, and then use that to sort of get that foam out. Because that foam is kind of in the way right now. So let's just get that foam out of the way. And then the bulb should drop in. See, now it's in, but now the yellow wire is in the way. So let's get that wire out and see, now the bulb holder is completely in the light. All we have to do is just twist it right like this to lock it in place. Now let's slide the electrical connector on. It only goes on in one way. So slide it on, click, and let's put the cover back on. There are four flaps. So let's put the front flap in first, then the top and bottom flap, and finally the rearward flap, and that's in. Okay, perfect. That is looking good. Hope you found the video useful.